Hello guys, my name is Marquez Darmawan. Welcome to our channel. Today I want to make wooden docking station. Okay guys, today I want to make a docking station. This is a very simple project. I use the rubber wood. Do you want to know how to make the docking station this? Let's go, check it out my video. After the sanding, I want to sanding sealer first before I top coat. Okay. Okay, before the clear coat, I sanding first. Okay, now I use the clear coat Dove made. I very like Dove. Alright guys, the dock station from wood is already done, and you can see this is I can put the I can put my watch. This is for my wallet. You can put the sunglasses. You can put the wallet back here. It's very safe. And this is my phone. You can put the charger over here. You can put the docking station on your bedside table. It's very light. It's not heavy. That's it. That's our video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment, because your like, your subscribe, your comment is very important for me to motivate me to make a video and more creative video. Okay, see you my next video. Bye bye.